Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2, and we are learning unit 1, a beautiful story of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Today is lecture 6 and we are going to read and understand the story, page number 5, 6 and 7 of your book. And to start with the concept, the theme of this story is bravery, as I have told you many things in introduction lesson. So now you tell me, what does bravery mean? Do you remember all the things which we discussed? Okay, let me revise it. Bravery means to show courage when you feel there is a danger or you feel a feeling of fear or fright. So my dear children, it is very common with every person it happens. It's a human psychology that sometimes we feel low, but to show courage at that time. And a Muslim is strong because we believe we are not alone anytime. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is with us and angels are with us. That's why tell yourself, yes, I'm not alone, Allah will help me, and show courage at that time. That is bravery. So what I advise you, be brave all the time, because this story is about the bravery of a little girl. So today we'll read this story and we'll cover the SLO, that is to interact with the text while reading and use reading strategies to locate specific factual information. This is today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's mentioned in Surah Luqman, verse number 17. Prophet Luqman was talking to his son and he said, "Oh my dear son, keep up prayers and enjoin the good and forbid the evil, and bear patiently that which befalls you. Surely these acts require courage." Yes, my dear children, you see, Hazrat Luqman is telling to his son, he is advising what? Keep praying. You should hold firmly your salah. Offer 5-time namaz. I hope you're offering. Keep stick with it. Better never miss any salah. Offer 5-time salah. And what else? You should enjoy the good. Where there is something good is going, be a part of that and be a team to do good. But don't be part when there is something bad. Keep yourself away. Try to stop that or try to save yourself. And he's saying these are the acts of courage. It's not easy to hold on with all these things, but we have to, because we have to show the courage and we are brave Muslims. Okay, so these are the questions. Who is the last prophet of Allah and who is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq? Teachers, pause the video and try to find the answer from students. This is from their prior knowledge. Try to find out how much they know and we'll learn further about these information in today's lecture. Pause the video and my dear students, tell the answers of these questions to your teacher. Yes, are you done with it? Good job. Now we are going to read the text. Open your book on page number 5. And dear teachers, along with this video lecture, in description box, the links are given for PowerPoint presentation, for lesson plan and for worksheet. You may click the link, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my children, are you ready with your book? We are going to start reading from the first sentence of page number 5. You located it? You reached here? Okay, I'm going to read it for you. Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha was the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Now you know Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, we just discussed about him. He was very close friend of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Hazrat Asma was his daughter. She was the 8th person to embrace Islam. Embrace means to accept, means she was the 8th person, 8th Muslim person. She was the 8th person who accepted Islam. Hazrat Asma Razila Ta'ala Anha supported Islam from her early age. What does early age mean? When she was very young, she was little, but she supported, she helped Islam. How she did that? We are going to read it today. Now next is page number 6, the first line of page number 6. She played an important role in the migration of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What does migration mean? Move to live in another place. In fact, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all the Muslims were living in Mecca, and we know the non-believers, the non-Muslims were against them. They did not let them do anything, and they were continuously teasing them. So what they planned to move from Mecca to Medina, and this incident happened during those days. Now, during the migration, the enemies of Islam plotted against Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khatamul Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life. Na'uzubillah. So what they planned, when they find they cannot do anything to stop Islam, they planned to kill, na'uzubillah, to kill our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's why our Prophet planned to migrate from Mecca to Medina. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent all his followers to Medina. Hazrat Abu Bakr Razila Ta'ala Anha and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam hid themselves in the cave of Thor for 3 nights. Now all the Muslims have moved from Mecca to Medina, and our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam along with Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razila Ta'ala Anhu, they were hiding themselves in a cave. The name of the cave was Thor, and they stayed there for 3 nights. The enemies were in great number. Now these are 2 persons, but the enemies are in huge number. They were many, and searching for them. Like many people were searching for these 2 persons. The cave was 3 miles away on a mountain track. Now this cave, the cave we are talking about, cave Thor, it was 3 miles, like this is the distance, and it was in a mountain track, means it was a hilly area. There were mountain, and in a mountain 3 miles away from Mecca, this cave was located. Now Hazrat Asma Razila Ta'ala Anha was committed to carry food for Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu and Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now what happened? To stay in a cave for 3 days, they had nothing to eat. So Hazrat Asma daily she used to travel from Mecca to cave Thor, and she carried the food for Hazrat Abu Bakr and our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who were hiding in the cave of Thor. She brought them food for 3 days. Now my dear children, here I want you to think about a little girl and all the enemies are around, and she is carrying food, and the way she is traveling is not comfortable. All the mountains are there, and she used to carry food at night. It was a work of great courage because she was a little girl at that time. So she did not care about any harm because she was a true believer, and she did this difficult task. So that's it for today. Here I'm stopping it. Tomorrow we will start reading from the same point what we have studied today. Here is the comprehension. The questions are there. Now you pause the video, and teachers first ask the questions from the students and then make them to write the answers in their notebook. Again, I don't suggest you being teacher to write the answer on board. Make the students able to answer and write in their own words. No need to copy because these are simple questions. I hope they can answer it. Now pause the video and write the answers of these questions in your notebooks. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you have written these answers in very nice handwriting. Mashallah. Okay, the next thing is your homework. What you are supposed to do? Make sentences of the following words which we have studied, which we have read today. Embrace, daughter, support, enemies, and search. These are 5 words. Write these words in your notebook and write the sentences from these words. Here is an additional worksheet for your practice. Again, teachers, along with this video lecture, in description box, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentations are available. You may click the link. You may download it and give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And my dear students, what you are supposed to do? Match the words with their sentences, then fill in the blanks. The words are here, sentences are here. First you will match the word and then you will complete the sentence. Hope you will enjoy this worksheet. Now what we have done today, we read the text, we connected the text with previous knowledge, we clarified the text by discussion, and we analyzed the text by asking questions. So in this way we achieved our today's SLO to interact with the text while reading and use reading strategies to locate specific factual information. So are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, take care. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.